today we're unboxing Disney Descendants, The Rise of Red Cinderella doll. Recommended for ages 4 and up, made by Mattel. Here is the back of the box. It says, "A forever dreamer, Her Majesty rules with elegance, warmth, and grace." And we can see a picture of Cinderella. In Descendants Rise of Red, Cinderella is Cinderella from Rodgers and Hammerstein's Cinderella. So let's get her out of the box. Here she is out of the box. I think she's so gorgeous. So she comes wearing her blue dress with some silver on it. And then she has her lace removable sleeve gloves. She has these poofy sleeves, a clear pearl necklace, and earrings. The tiara looks like it's made of glass and it sparkles. Her hair is up high at the top and then it goes down into like a twisted braid. She has some silver high heels. From a back view of the dress, it looks like there's a train and her dress velcros in the back. Her head can turn. Her arm goes forward and back, out to the side. She can bend at the elbow and her wrist can twist. Her legs go forward and back and she can bend at the knee and she can sit. I love how poofy her dress is. It's like her dress is sewn closed with space between, so you get that poofiness. That's probably my favorite part of her outfit, is how poofy it feels. So that is the Descendants Rise of Red Cinderella doll. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.